Hi, this is how to do the 3-spoke woven wheel rose stitch. First you come up through the middle, and then we're gonna make our first spoke. You want to remember to keep the spokes tight and not too loose. So always go from the center and then go outwards. So once you've finished all the spokes, we're going to go back up through the middle and start weaving our rows. All we're going to do is weave over and under, over and under. As you can see, I went under first, and then we're going to skip one, go over it, and then bring the thread under the next one. For the first few weaves, you want to keep it a little tight so that it gives a good base for the middle. After you've weaved it through a few times, now you can start loosening the threads a little bit. Be careful that your needle doesn't snag onto the other threads. Remember not to pull the threads too tight, and continue to loosely weave the rows until the very end. Once you've reached the end, you can finish the rows off by putting the thread into one of the holes. You can also use your fingers to lightly fluff up the rows. And there you have it, a 3-spoke woven wheel stitch for a little rosebud.